Hey, let me bring my microphone. Mic is on. Am I recording? I think I am. I'm sorry guys, I'm in my pajama because I was cooking the whole morning. We have food still getting prepared, but I wanted to show you the things that I prepare each week. Today is Saturday, so for the upcoming week, I have already my batch of food ready that I will be snacking on having lunch. Dinner, we always prepare and make food from scratch, but for lunchtime it's just easier for me to have a batch of side dishes or protein, and then I can just sometimes eat mock meats and whatnot. I haven't shown you how to prepare this because you already know. I've shared several times these recipes already, so that's nothing new. But if there's something that kind of sticks out to you and you think, I need the new version of this, or I need this with the less oil, less salt, less whatever, let me know in the comment section and I'll try to find and make something nice for you. So for starters, we have here, you already know, these are Rissois, and I have made several batches already that are in the freezer. These ones, I fry them, and during the week we just air fry them once we want to eat them because they are nice and warm and crispy, and I would not advise you to microwave them because then, you know, fried things when you microwave them, they become soft. Nobody wants that. And it's apple season, so I always make some roasted apples. Sometimes I add port wine to them. This time I didn't add port wine because my baby will be eating them. So, not my baby, I don't have any baby. Like one of my really good friends, she has a baby and I made a batch that she can eat. I was trying to do a twist on the cinnamon rolls, but I didn't have the time to make the dough from starters, so I thought I could just buy something from the supermarket, but it's not the same. It's really good. On the layers I put cinnamon and apples. I love apples, apple crunch. But the thing is, it's not as soft as your homemade cinnamon rolls and whatnot. So if you're gonna make this, I'm gonna be sharing a recipe next week, I believe, but you will have to make the dough from scratch because the doughs that you buy in the supermarket, it's not going to grow like you want. It's not going to be thick, fluffy goodness that you might be expecting from eating years and years of cinnamon rolls. So now I have here green beans. I'm just going to make a side dish with the green beans, and this is going to be quite simple. Normally during winter time, we most often buy our veggies frozen. So we have frozen cauliflower, frozen broccoli, frozen green beans, frozen peas, frozen onions and garlic and everything, because it's easier to cook like that. You don't need to think that your food is going to waste. And also frozen foods are great for you because they pick the veggies or the fruits in excellent ripeness, and then it conserves them and keeps them longer throughout the year. So we prefer, in wintertime at least, cooking is easier, or we try to make cooking easier so we don't crash out and end up eating bad stuff. One thing that I'm quite grateful, I grew up in an ingredient household, meaning you didn't have pre-made food, fast food, so my mom always made things from scratch. And actually Matt's parents are also the same way, which is ideal because like that we both have the same understanding on how we want the house to be run, and since we have that in common, both of us are pretty chill. And if we want something that is fast food, we just need to tell each other with some time, and like that it's we have the time to make them before we actually craving the set meal. So I'm just gonna saute the green beans, and it should be set. In the oven, I have 1 kilo of tofu that I made with fennel. Oh, we are in a fennel kick and it's so good. Fennel and mustard. This is what it looks like. It's so good, guys. This is like delicious. It's kind of like my rendition of honey garlic, chicken, but of course it's vegan and it doesn't have any, and even doesn't have chicken. But this is delicious. I'm gonna be putting everything in containers during the week. I also have here some baked potatoes. We had already to cook these potatoes because they have been out for some days. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna mash them and also put them in containers. So during the week we have already our nice potatoes. And you know that I'm Portuguese, right? So as a good Portuguese woman, I have to have soup. This time, one of the best tricks that I could give you is to get your soup base, like frozen soup base, which are like the vegetables of the soup that you want to make. For today, we did pumpkin soup, and it already comes with everything cut, frozen. So you just need to add water to your pot, add the remaining seasonings. For us was vegetable stock, salt, and a little bit more garlic, just because garlic is good when you are sick, and the whole purpose of soup is to add a little bit more nutrients to your body. That's what I did, and we have soup. How great is that? I think even I am surprised with the way I'm running this household, because girl, it's Sunday, so the next day, and you already know that I make cake. This is Matt. Hi, say hi to him. And Matt is not a cake kind of person. He is more like a fruit dessert type of person. So, ooh, can we check the light? I think the plug maybe is not on. Thank you. So he's more like a pie type of man, but I'm more a cake type of person, because we all know that I can have cake for breakfast. So I made a lemon orange juice cake. I think this year I'm going on a rampage, because every liquid that exists, I feel like I have done a cake with it. Because you don't always need to add milk, you can add other liquids. So this time it has lemon zest and orange juice. We had orange juice in the fridge that had to go, so I made a cake out of it. And now let us serve apple crumble. I don't care much for desserts that have fruits in it, but well, we are all different and that is fine. Okay, I'm a bit sad we don't have vanilla ice cream, because it would be quite nice with this dessert, honey. You need to start believing in me. Okay. That's the apple crumble for y'all. Baba, can you try it on camera? Or you don't want to? What do you mean? You look beautiful. Try it out. I do think with the vanilla ice cream it would be.
Is it apple? It looks like pineapple.
Oh, it's apple.
Quite nice.
Do you like it?
Quite warm.
Yeah, I suppose it's still hot.
Oh, it's excellent.
Do you like it? Really? You're not lying. You don't have to lie. If you don't like it, it's fine. What?
It doesn't have dough?
No.
Why?
Because a lot of people said that online I went by a lot of this mama.
We have to have dough.
Okay.
It's nice, but the dough is missing.
Well, I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. It's a crumble, like apple crumble and things like that. They don't have a dough. You can search on. Yes, it's true. I don't know if it's true, but okay. Well, I will the next time. I got you then. I thought that you wanted the version. Maybe it's the American version and not the German version.
Probably.
You don't like it?
I like it, but it's something missing.
So from now on, dough in the bottom and the crumble on top.
Yes, it does. On the bottom and on the side.
Yeah, I got that. I'm glad you like it. Once you finish it, I will make a new one. Maybe this time with plums or peach.
Plums, yes, peach, no, it doesn't.
I have some. I know. watching.